How often do we consider the correlation between virtual team building activities and workplace satisfaction? Hello, Reality Radar family. Welcome back to another thought-provoking episode. I'm your host, Lovish, and today we're diving into the virtual realm to explore whether virtual team building is truly a key to workplace satisfaction. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our engaging discussions. Imagine a team dispersed across the globe, working tirelessly on a project. Each member is a cog in the machine, their unique skills and talents contributing to the overall success of the endeavor. But what if we told you that the success of such a team isn't solely dependent on their individual abilities, but also on the strength of their relationship with each other? That's right. Today we delve into the fascinating world of virtual team building activities and their impact on workplace satisfaction. Our first case study is a global tech giant known for its innovative approach to team dynamics. Despite having team members spread across different time zones, they managed to increase their workplace satisfaction by a staggering 50%. Their secret? Regular virtual team building activities. These included online quizzes, virtual coffee breaks, and collaborative online games. These activities not only bridged the geographical gap, but also fostered a sense of camaraderie and mutual respect among the team members. Next, we look at a smaller, yet highly efficient digital marketing agency named Blown Cloud, based in India. With a lean team of just 20 members, they faced the challenge of keeping their remote workforce engaged and satisfied. Their solution was to implement weekly virtual brainstorming sessions and digital hangouts. The result? An impressive 70% increase in workplace satisfaction. The team reported feeling more connected, more valued, and more motivated to contribute to the company's success. Switching gears, we turn to the educational sector. A leading online university successfully boosted its faculty satisfaction by integrating virtual team-building activities into their routine. Virtual book clubs, online workshops, and interactive webinars were just a few of the initiatives that led to a 60% increase in workplace satisfaction. To summarize, it becomes evident that virtual team-building activities play a pivotal role in enhancing workplace satisfaction. They foster a sense of belonging and mutual respect, bridge geographical gaps, and create a more cohesive and motivated team. Whether it's a tech giant, a lean digital marketing agency, or an online university, the results are clear. Virtual team-building activities significantly boost workplace satisfaction. So next time you find yourself pondering over the secret to a happy and productive remote workforce, remember this discussion. Remember that it's not just about the individual skills and talents, but also about the relationships that are built, the camaraderie that is fostered, and the sense of belonging that is cultivated through virtual team-building activities. As we draw this discussion to a close, we leave you with this thought. In a world that is increasingly going digital, perhaps it's time we embrace the virtual realm not just as a necessity, but as a powerful tool to create happier, more satisfied workplaces. If you've enjoyed this episode, share it with your colleagues and friends, and stay tuned for more insightful content right here on Reality Radar. Until next time, this is Lovish signing off.